Okay, so you want to know how to speed up any internet. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You have to press the Windows and R key to get this Windows here, and you have to write ncpa.cpl and press accept. Okay, so here you have to find your network, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Right click properties, and then you have to go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, and you have to click it, enable it if it's not enabled. Go to properties here, and you have to choose use the next DNS address, and you have to write 1111, and the alternate DNS you have to write 1011001 and accept. And then the next step is go to config here, press it, and you have to go to advanced options, look for energy efficient Ethernet and disable it. So once you do all those steps, you can have a better internet connection. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, like, share, and see you the next time in an easy way video. Bye bye.